Alright guys, so in this video we're gonna demonstrate on how to secure your AC after you install it. So try to find some sticks, anything you can find, the length of the gap of the window. Get yourself a pen and mark across it. There we go, I got the pen. I'm gonna scribe some lines all the way across so I can measure the height of the window. This is for like the do-it-yourselfers, I just literally just found whatever I found around the house to do this. But you wanna secure the AC by filling up the gap at the top, because you don't want the AC to fall down on your neighbors and get sued or anything like that. So I'm scribing the lines. I'm gonna run into the kitchen. Now I had no saw, no nothing like that, so I'm just gonna scribe some of the lines over there like that. Boom. I grabbed the knife that had the serrated edges because it's the closest to like a saw. So I went around it, scribed some lines where I did my markings with a pen, and then nice one good snap. Bow. Hiya! So now we'll go back to the window. We place it at the window, and there it is. Now the window is now secure. The AC is done, and you can enjoy your summer.